How to fix the syncing is paused or off error in your Google Chrome browser. So to solve that issue, you simply want to click on the three vertical dots here and then go to Settings. Now you want to click on Privacy and Security from the left panel and then go to Site Settings and then scroll down to the bottom and click on Additional Content Settings. And then scroll down again and click on On-Device Site Data. And then you want to make sure that Allow Sites to Save Data on your device is checked, which is this one here. And then all you need to do is click on Add next to Allowed to Save Data on your device. And then simply type the URL of accounts.google.com like this. Click on Add. Next, you want to click on You and Google tab here at the top. And you should see from here if the syncing is currently on or off. And you can simply click on Turn On button if you see Turn On here. But if you see Turn Off, it means it's currently active and it's syncing. And when you click on Turn On, it will basically require you to sign into your Google account. And if you can't do that for some reason, here's how to fix it. First, you want to click on your Google Chrome profile and then click on Manage Chrome Profiles. And then you can basically click on the three vertical dots again and then click on Delete to completely delete your current profile. And then you should be able to add your profile again by clicking on this profile icon at the top and then click on Add Chrome Profile and then click on Sign In. And now you can simply proceed to sign into your Google or Gmail account that was used for the previous profile. And then press Next and enter your password. And once you continue the sign in process, it should automatically allow the syncing. And then it will bring up your profile with syncing turned on. If you see sync is on here, which means the syncing is enabled by default. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful and see you in the next one.